Thank you, Ms. Lim, for giving the time to have this conversation. It's a pleasure to know and understand about the various developments that are happening at the Island Hospital. So my first question is, Island Hospital has been a leader in healthcare for nearly 3 decades now. So could you share some of the key milestones in the hospital's journey that have shaped its current reputation as one of Malaysia's top healthcare providers?
Hi Vish, and greetings from Penang. So Island Hospital was founded here in Georgetown, Penang in 1996 with 11 doctors and fewer than 100 staff members. Apart from having a robust following amongst the Penang community, the hospital quickly developed a reputation for providing quality care for health travelers from Indonesia. From about 50,000 health travelers a year in 2006, the hospital has seen its volumes double every 10 years. And this has been the foundation of the hospital's expansion, which planning began in the year 2017. So following pandemic-related disruptions, the new hospital facilities, known as the Peel Wing, opened for operations in October 2022. And with this, we effectively doubled the hospital's capacity to 600 beds, putting it in the best position to expand its services, facilities, and technologies. So I'm really happy to share with you that in 2023, the hospital served over 380,000 patients, of which close to 200,000 were health travelers. We are the #1 medical tourism hospital for Malaysia, and I think we work very hard and are very, very committed to being a leading quaternary care provider for the region. And to navigate this path, we have highlighted several key areas to serve as our roadmap in our provision of healthcare services. So firstly, we believe that collaboration is vital. We look forward to establishing strategic partnerships to expand our knowledge base and expertise in niche areas. This will further strengthen our capabilities in providing cutting-edge care to our patients. So one good example is our Icon Oncology Center, which opened early this year. This is the first cancer center that is a joint venture between Australia's Icon Group and Sansuria Healthcare in Malaysia, together with Island Hospital. We use this in order to expand the availability of high-quality cancer care services to Penang and to our patients. We're also very excited to harness the advancements in Industry 4.0 to enhance our diagnostic and treatment modalities. By integrating these innovations, we aspire to improve patient experiences as well as outcomes. Additionally, we are very dedicated to advancing our expertise in the treatment of complex diseases in critical areas like orthopedics and spine, neurological and movement disorders, as well as cancer, as I mentioned. This will ensure that we are able to continue to provide quality care even for challenging health conditions. Of course, another area that we are looking at expanding and improving our expertise is in critical care capabilities, such as organ transplants, high-intensity surgeries, stroke, and cardiovascular, cerebrovascular conditions. Meanwhile, the continued identifying and enhancing of our core centers of excellence will be pivotal. It will be very important in establishing our leadership in specialized care. We are particularly excited about the current development of Island Medical City, our massive expansion project that is set to be the crown jewel, not only for Island Hospital, but for Malaysia's healthcare ecosystem. With a total development value of RM2 billion, This fully integrated medical hub is envisioned to be a top medical tourism destination in Asia, and when completed, will increase our bed capacity to 1,000 beds and will position us as the largest private healthcare facility in the region, as well as including over 300 medical suites that will bring together some of the best medical professionals in one venue and a medical tourism themed hotel. I think we have very ambitious plans and definitely a vision for the future.
Wonderful. So, as the only hospital in Penang which has been shortlisted for the flagship medical tourism hospital program, how does Island Hospital really differentiate itself from other healthcare providers in Malaysia and the region?
Yes, I think across every country in this part of the world, there is a vision to provide, to be a medical tourism provider. And for us at Island Hospital, our reputation for excellence is built on several key differentiators, including comprehensive multi-generational care, spanning from pediatric to geriatric services to provide something to patients of all ages. Our expertise in high intensity and high complexity cases supported by cutting-edge medical interventional capabilities, for example, robotic technologies, AI-driven rehabilitation. I think sky's the limit with technology, as well as continuing care that encompasses not only the acute phase, but also rehabilitation and recovery to optimize comprehensive patient management and long-term health outcomes. Definitely, as we embark on our expansion with the development of the Island Medical City, we are cognizant that the provision of quality care is essential. To this end, we continue to strive to achieve the highest standards of healthcare by achieving accreditations and certifications from local as well as international bodies. Besides that, in Malaysia, we enjoy a significant cost advantage compared to larger cities and neighboring countries, and this makes us an attractive option to those who are looking for affordable quality care. And I think last but not least, our location here in Penang Island offers a unique appeal as an ideal setting for health travelers seeking a healthcation, as we call it, where they get not only the best medical care but also a holistic tourism and rejuvenation experience from the beauty of Georgetown.
So how has the Island Hospital adapted its services and patient care approach to cater to unique needs of international patients? I'm sure patients coming from different countries must be probably having specific requirements or needs. So how, as a growing industry in Malaysia, how do you cater to this?
So our expertise in medical tourism has been developed over decades of experience on understanding our patients and their needs. We have a dedicated international patient service center that takes care of health travelers' needs from pre-arrival until post-treatment. So this includes taking care of flight and accommodation arrangements, transportation from the airport, logistics, visa, insurance assistance, as well as foreign language translation. And as a matter of fact, many of our medical professionals and frontline staff are fluent in English, Chinese, and even Bahasa Indonesia.
How has this partnership really influenced Island Hospital's operations and standards?
As a finalist in the Malaysia Healthcare Travel Council's flagship medical tourism hospital program, we are extremely fortunate to be able to benefit from the close guidance of IQVIA as well as Joint Commission International, JCI. We undergo rigorous audit and assessment by these international bodies, which allows our development to be benchmarked against global best practice standards. We have participated in many masterclasses and workshops under their facilitation, where we receive insightful feedback on our current efficiency levels and identified our unique goals moving forward And this has actually paved the way for us to accelerate our efforts as a key contributor to the country's healthcare ecosystem and medical tourism industry.
All that stuff. So how have you successfully managed to integrate cutting edge medical technology with your philosophy of compassionate care? I mean, how do you balance both these things? Because sometimes some hospitals really have fantastic infrastructure, but when it comes to service standards or the compassion that is required, I mean, sometimes they fall short. So how have you managed to achieve this balance?
That's a fantastic question. At the heart of it, hospitals are service industry, and we rely on a team of highly experienced and skilled professionals who are dedicated and passionate in delivering patient-centered care. So in their hands, technologies serve as a tool to enable the integration of personalized treatments that are more efficient, less invasive, to have superior clinical outcomes, faster recovery rates, as well as reduce patient discomfort and pain. So using these advanced technologies, our medical professionals are able to adopt a compassionate, personalized approach to the patient treatment while enhancing their overall healthcare experience.
So, as a leader in the healthcare sector, I mean, where do you see the future for Island Hospital, and how do you see the establishment contributing towards healthcare in Malaysia and the region?
Our vision is to continue to push ahead for Island Hospital to be a showcase of the best of Malaysia healthcare. This is to shine the spotlight on the excellence of our healthcare professionals, doctors, nurses, allied health staff, frontliners, who embody the expertise and passion to touch the lives of patients and their families.
I mean, how is the completed Island Medical City going to contribute to the local economy in Penang? How do you think the local population is going to derive advantage out of this?
Over the next 10 years of the Island Medical City, we are poised to offer a transformative economic and social benefits to the region. Upon completion, this mega development is projected to generate an economic value exceeding RM7 billion, as well as create over 2,000 new job opportunities, providing a boost to local income growth and service sector. Besides the direct economic benefits, the Island Medical City is expected to generate additional revenue as well as provide a significant boost to Penang's tourism and service sectors. Of course, other economic ripple effects include increased business for local suppliers, hospitality and service providers, and overall economic vitality for Penang and northern Malaysia.